Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jackie and I'm here to help you with your sublimation journey. Excuse the voice, I lost the voice, but I don't want to miss giving you guys a wonderful tutorial. So today we're going to be pressing kids' water bottles. This is how they work. They got a nice little straw. They are leak proof and they're awesome. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the rubber bottom off. This is a protective rubber bottom to prevent scratching. And we're going to take the lid off. It comes with a straw. That's what the inside looks like. These are pretty good, awesome for back to school. So next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna measure to see how big your design needs to be. So I always take my ruler here and we go from top to bottom. And it looks like it's hanging at about 6. So I'm gonna make the design 6.25 just to give myself some extra room. And then we're gonna go around the water bottle to see how wide the design needs to be. And it looks like it's about 8.5. So I'm gonna go about 8.75. You could probably even do 8.7 and be okay. So that's how big the design's gonna be, 6.25 tall and 8.75 wide. And let's get back once I grab the print. Okay, here's my print. As you guys can see, there is some white around the edges. So we're gonna cut the white off so that there's no white on the edges at all whatsoever. So here's our water bottle. We are gonna put it right around there so that it's lined up. See how it's not lined up there at the top? We're gonna fix that by aligning it. Now it's perfectly aligned. A little bit of overlap at the top, but not much. That's a little bit too much. Almost right to the edge of these guys. And then we're gonna do one piece of tape at the bottom, one piece of tape at the top, and one piece right down the middle. So it's 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna take your hook. This is right from Amazon. It's a dental hook. There's a dull side to this dental hook, and I love to use this because it is dull enough to get the air out of the seam, but not too sharp where it cuts your tape. So that's why I like this guy. So we're going right down the seam with the hook. It is so precise that you can get almost all that air out, and that's the goal here. So you can see there that it's pressed. You can almost see where the crease is now, and that should help you with any kind of ghosting or blowout within your seams. Now we can go over to the press. Let's get this pressed. So we're gonna put this into the tumbler press. This is our brand new tumbler press. It also comes with the attachment to press your 30-ounce wides, which are these guys. And they fit right in there and get the perfect press. But anyway, so we're gonna press it at 356 degrees for 60 seconds. Let's go. Okay, it is done on that side. So now all you're gonna do is rotate it. I suggest heat gloves if you have them. And now we're just gonna press the other side. Turn it down and press it for a full 180. Okay, so we just got done pressing the other side of it. Now we're gonna take the tape off and look and see how she came out. It came out awesome, guys. My daughter is gonna love this. That is your kids' water bottles in a tumbler press. Good seam there. Absolutely awesome. I'm gonna let this cool down. We're gonna put it back together so you can see what the finished product looks like. Here is the finished product. I absolutely love how it came out. That is how you get an awesome kids water bottle in a tumbler press. Not all tumbler presses close tight enough to get these, so make sure that your tumbler press closes tight enough to get something that is only 8.5 in diameter. So just to recap, guys, you'll need a sublimation print, the sublimation kids water bottle, and a sublimation heat press. That is available in our blank shop, tcbblankshop.com. I will put the link in the description. Hopefully this helps you. If you use this tutorial, please let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about when you guys press awesome shit. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time.